Hi guys, this is Ali. Welcome to Tech Startup by Ali SK. In today's session, we will learn how to write test cases to begin with quality software testing. First, we need to define these two things, which are the application we are testing, and our test scenario. Application is basically the platform for which we are performing testing, while test scenario is basically what covers the test scope, that what procedure or use case are we going to test. For example, in this case, our application can be any email or social media login page, let's say, YouTube. So I will be now considering YouTube as my application and login page of YouTube as our test scenario. Okay, so, this is our test matrix, which holds all test cases with these columns respectively. For first case we will assign a test ID, description will be logging successfully with valid credentials, steps to be performed are to open the web page, then, enter credentials, and, click on login button, test data will be my credentials. Result can include an assertion, of being logged in successfully. But, you need to keep in mind, that this is just a sample. If you are manually testing a software the steps are different, but if you are writing it for automation, the steps must be changed accordingly. Same goes with the description. The description must be valid, concise, well written that it actually defines the scenario. You can also add different fields within this test matrix, such as prerequisites. Or, created by, maintained by, executed by, execution date, time taken. And once the test script is executed, you need to add another column and mark either passed or failed. Okay, so now, let's move to our second case. For this case too, we need to replicate the major part such as we will assign a second test ID, description will be logging with invalid credentials, as we want the login to be unsuccessful, steps to be performed are to open the web page, then, enter credentials, and, click on login button, test data will be my credentials, but this time, this data is invalid because I changed the password. Result can again include an assertion, of being logged in unsuccessfully. For this scenario I have prepared an unorganized set of test cases just for the better understanding of how one should write a test case, so here you can see a variety of test cases. These are, 1. Verify if a user will be able to log in with a valid username and valid password. 2. Verify if a user cannot log in with a valid username and an invalid password. 3. Verify the login page for both, when the field is blank and submit button is clicked. 4. Verify the forgot password functionality. 5. Verify the messages for invalid login. 6. Verify the Remember Me functionality. 7. Verify if the data in password field is either visible as asterisk or bullet signs. 8. Verify if a user is able to log in with a new password only after he/she has changed the password. 9. Verify if the login page allows to log in simultaneously with different credentials in a different browser. 10. Verify if the Enter key of the keyboard is working correctly on the login page. 11. Verify the time taken to log in with a valid username and password. 12. Verify if the font, text color, and color coding of the login page is as per the standard. 13. Verify if there is a cancel button available to erase the entered text. 14. Verify the login page and all its controls in different browsers. Thank you for watching, don't forget to subscribe.